Hey everybody, welcome to our WIDOM official channel. Well, we got some feedback about how to use the accessory of our LAN 4A. Today I'm here to open a new set of LAN 4A to teach you. Here we go. Once you open the box, you will notice they have 3 optical lens. Put the lens onto the headlamp. A wearable hair strap ensures you can wear it around your head. Special light resistant adapter and 1 pair of USB cable. What cable's inside? I'll show you right now. Inside has the belt. Put the belt with the headlamp together in this way. One magnetic USB cable matches adapter to charge the headlamp. Female USB adapter cable and female USB-C adapter cable to match your lighting cable, then charge your phone. Plus USB-C adapter cable and micro USB adapter cable to charge your Android phone. What else we still have? Some accessory for cycling. Mounting magnet you can put onto the headlamp and then put anywhere else you want. If you have any other question, please contact us.